Linking your bank account or Whole Foods can enhance your shopping experience by allowing for easier payments and access to special offers. Follow these steps to set up your bank link effectively. Step 1. Open the Whole Foods app. Download and install the Whole Foods app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account or login if you already have one. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the app, go to the Settings menu, usually found in the Profile or Account section. Look for the Payment or Payment Methods option to begin linking your bank account. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select Link Bank Account or a similar option that allows you to connect your bank details. Step 4. Enter bank information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Whole Foods, allowing for seamless transactions during your shopping trips. Enjoy your shopping experience.